Namaste and welcome, boys and girls. Thanks for joining us today. We're coming to you again from the Kansas Children's Discovery Center Yoga at Home. This is my friend, Teddy. He is such a good friend, helping me and other boys and girls to remember to slow down and let ourselves relax. But sometimes that's easier said than done. When it all seems like it's just too much and we need some help to be calm. So one of the ways that I think is especially fun is to make a meditation jar. Do you like glitter? I have some beautiful glitter here, an empty jar, and we fill it with water. So I've got one already made. What I'll show you is sort of how to do it, and then I'll show you how to help you use the glitter in the meditation jar as a way to meditate and let yourself relax and be calm. So take an empty jar, fill it about 3/4 of the way full with water, and then all you need to do is just take glitter and pour your glitter in. Put the jar back, lid back on really tightly. You don't want to have any water come out of your jar. And then I'll bring this a little closer so that you can see what it looks like with all of the glitter in it. You shake it up. See the glitter stirring around? It's really beautiful. Upside down one more time. And then what you do is set it on your countertop or on your floor, and you pick out one piece of glitter to watch as it makes its way all the way through the water and down to the bottom of the jar. And just keep thinking about letting your mind relax as you follow the pieces of glitter all the way down. I'll do it one more time. So give it a good shake. Watch the beautiful glitter as it floats all the way down. Sometimes when we get upset, we can think about our emotions like these pieces of glitter, a little bit angry, maybe tired, hungry, all of them swirling around. And guess what happens? When we stop and let ourselves be still, everything settles down. So give it a try, have a wonderful day, and stay well. Namaste.